GreenAddress Crypto Wallet Review. Watch before using. In this video, we'll be diving into a comprehensive review of the GreenAddress crypto wallet. If you're considering using this wallet, stick around to get all the crucial details. Don't forget to check the links in the description for more information and access to the products mentioned. GreenAddress is a Bitcoin-only wallet known for its robust security features and user-friendly interface, making it an excellent choice for both beginners and seasoned crypto enthusiasts. It's important to highlight that GreenAddress is a hierarchical deterministic HD wallet, which means it generates a new address for each transaction, enhancing your privacy and security. One of the standout features of GreenAddress is its multi-signature, multi-sig functionality, where 2 out of 3 keys are required to authorize a transaction. This adds an additional layer of security, significantly reducing the risk of unauthorized access. The wallet also supports two-factor authentication, 2FA, which can be set up via Google Authenticator, SMS, or even a hardware token, ensuring that only you can access your funds. Another key feature is its instant confirmation option. GreenAddress allows for faster transaction confirmations through its replace by fee (RBF) system, which is particularly useful for users who need quick and secure transactions. The wallet also offers watch-only access, enabling you to monitor your balance and transactions without risking your private keys, which is ideal for users who prioritize security. GreenAddress also integrates well with hardware wallets like Ledger and Trezor, giving you the flexibility to manage your Bitcoin securely on multiple devices. For those who prefer mobile access, GreenAddress has apps for both Android and iOS, featuring the same level of security and functionality as the desktop version. This wallet was designed with security and privacy in mind, making it ideal for users who prioritize these aspects over a wide range of cryptocurrency support, as it only supports Bitcoin. If you're someone who wants to keep your Bitcoin safe with top-notch security features, GreenAddress is a solid choice. In conclusion, GreenAddress is best suited for users who value security, privacy, and a Bitcoin-only experience. Its combination of multi-sig, 2FA, instant confirmations, and hardware wallet integration makes it a top contender in the Bitcoin wallet space. If these features align with your needs, GreenAddress is definitely worth considering. Thanks for watching, and remember to check out the links in the description for more detailed information and access to GreenAddress. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more expert crypto wallet reviews.